From one seasoned medical officer to another, Major General Mary Link, the Commanding General of Army Reserve Medical Command, transitioned the command of Army Medical Department Professional Management Command. During a change of command ceremony held at APMC's headquarters in Forest Park, Georgia, outgoing Commander Colonel Regina Powell and incoming Commander Colonel Todd Traver exchanged roles June 18th. Colonel Powell, the outgoing commander, led APMC for 2 years and relied heavily on her team, her family, and her faith to get her through the demands of serving in the Army Reserve for more than 25 years.
I am most proud of the hard work, integrity, sacrifice, and the people matter influence our team has made in taking care of our soldiers and our family members.
Colonel Traver's new full-time job as commander of APMC started Monday, June 18th, with the change of command ceremony. It is a time-honored tradition from the 1700s with the U.S. Army, but the tradition came from the British military. With this passing of the colors or flag, the unit is symbolically seen as continuing the mission with only the commander as a new element. One of APMC's primary missions is keeping over 6,300 medical professionals' licenses and training current, which is foremost on Colonel Traver's mind.
I have every confidence that by working together, not only will we meet, but we will exceed everything that's asked of this command. The amount of talent, the knowledge, and the innovation that's within this group is limitless, and I look forward to serving all of you over the next 2 years as your commander.
Major General Link commended Colonel Powell and her team for their hard work and assured the audience that they would continue to be in good hands with Traver.
They fully established the Army Reserve medical community as a premier and relevant capability that is postured and ready to meet both the current and future needs of the Army and our nation.
Reporting from Forest Park, Georgia, for Army Reserve Medical Command Public Affairs Office, I'm Sergeant First Class Kenny Scott.